Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you if you can delete your Marvel Rivals account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so as you know, deleting a Marvel Rivals account is not straightforward as the game currently lacks any in-game option for account deletion. However, you can take the following steps. So the first step is to contact their customer support team. So there's a few different ways we can do this. So we can do via email. So you can send your inquiries to marvelrivals@globalnetease.com, or you can join the Discord server. And here's the link for it here. Once there, click on Show Member List in the top right corner, then select Marvel Rivals Support, and then send them a direct message. The third option is to go to NetEase Games contact form. So visit NetEase Games contact page at neteasegames.com and fill out your form with your concerns. But just make note that the response times may vary and some users have reported challenges in reaching support through certain channels as well. The third option, what you can do is just simply rename your account. So if your concern is primarily about your account name, you can purchase a rename option using in-game currency. This currency is earned through gameplay, so no real money is required.